Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and selecting a template or blank presentation. This gets you into the editing canvas fast. Choose slide size, 16:9 is standard, so your visuals scale properly. Next, save immediately as a PPTX and set Auto Recover to 5 minutes to avoid data loss. Once done, create a title slide and establish a master slide for fonts and colors, because consistency saves time later and keeps your slides readable and professional. Now you assemble your content. Edit the slide master so headings, body text, and logo stay uniform. This prevents inconsistent formatting during edits. Insert images, charts, and smart art. Compress pictures to 150 ppi to balance quality and file size. Once your content is placed, apply animations sparingly. Use Morph for smooth scene changes. Make sure to run slide sorter to check flow and rehearse timing. Practicing will reveal pacing issues you can fix before presenting. Finish by reviewing notes and running rehearse timings so you control pacing. Practice aloud and adjust slide durations. Export a copy as PDF for distribution or as a video when narration and timings matter. Embed fonts if recipients lack them. Once done, test the presentation on the target device. Make sure linked media paths are valid. If media won't play, enable trusted documents and update links. This common fix often restores embedded audio and video, preventing last-minute failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.